Some doctors are saying it is not COVID they're worried about this holiday season. It is the flu. In fact, the CDC says California is in the highest tier for flu activity.
It's out there. KRON 4's Amanda Harry joins us live in studio after speaking with an infectious disease expert about why things are so bad and how we can try to avoid catching it. Amanda.
Good evening. Dr. Monica Gandhi with UCSF says influenza is so high now because of the lack of exposure to it the past few years. We didn't see much of the virus in 2021 and even less of it in 2020. Because of that, we haven't built up many antibodies to the flu virus. If it feels like everyone you know has been sick recently, it's because many people are. Based on the most recent data from the CDC, California is in the very high tier for influenza infections, and many other states are also in the red.
One of the flu strains is H3N2, which is quite severe. In fact, it caused a problem in 2009. So the particular strain that we have is also more severe.
UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Monica Gandhi says one of the reasons we're seeing flu come back in such a major way is because of the COVID-19 virus.
One is a phenomenon called viral interference, which is a very well-known phenomenon in infectious disease, where COVID basically took up all the space in the room. I can tell you what I see in the hospital because I was just on service. Very little severe disease with COVID. What we are seeing is influenza being more severe this year for older people and for very young people.
She has 3 recommendations for preventing the flu, and it doesn't include masking.
I really don't think that people can wear masks when they're eating and so forth, and I don't think they've been as effective as we had hoped.
Some of the things she is suggesting are ventilation, opening windows during gatherings, not going to a gathering if you have any signs of sickness, and getting the influenza vaccine. She says only 42% of the U.S. is vaccinated, and that's lower than 2019. She's worried that all the pandemic fatigue is impacting flu vaccination rates.
Right now, frankly, people are kind of sick of public health. They're kind of sick of infectious disease doctors. They're sick of public health. They're tired of us. Fair enough. There was a lot of kind of disruption and distortion in life. People are mad.
Dr. Gandhi also wants to remind people over the age of 65 that they should be getting a higher dose of the flu vaccine, and they can ask for that at the pharmacist. Grant?